Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicked off my tinker day at the storage. I changed the last tire on Queen Bee. Probably gonna hit the road next week. Now I'm out here checking to see if they got that trim for Mom's car that got busted by that rock. Then I'm gonna get that window regulator I couldn't get yesterday because I took the drill bit out of my car right before I came here. And a couple other small things and head down to the shop. Ford Focus. Man, they cleaned that thing out. It had the trim there, but it's the wrong color. So they said they got two more, row 32 and 37. So I'm gonna keep huffing it. Looks like another one hit hard. That trim on this one was the wrong color too. There it is there. Wrong color. Guess I'll go check that last one. Man, they're hitting these things hard. It does have the E that Mom's has broken. Maybe I'll take that. You said from 2011 to 18. Well, that 11 doesn't match. So, no trim for Mom today. I got to find from 2012 on to 2018. Let me go get these Volvo parts I need. As you can see, it didn't take long for some brainless idiot to cut a hole in the roof of this Jaguar. And you people try to tell me that people ain't doing this on purpose. It's just vandalism. Ran into Buster Brown out here. I thought he was working today. I want to grab the heat shields off of this S60. This S60 has jewel style tail lights. Real nice. Nobody seems to care though. It's a 06 S60. So look at those tail lights. I'm gonna get these heat shields. Cool my turbo down just a little bit. I don't think that engine is any good. Back at this V70, I just pulled that off of the door panel. Set the door panel out of the way. Now I need to roll the windows down to where I can access it. The attachments on the window from the what's this thing called? Window regulator. So I'm gonna take this panel off, hit a couple wires with my jump box, roll this window down, and then I'm drill the rivets out. Home out of the way, I see my violet and my red black wire is my window wire. So I'm gonna drill this bracket out just to get it out the way for GP and see what else I gotta do and let you know. With the red on the violet and the ground on the red black, the window came down. It appears that the window is riveted to the window regulator. So I'm gonna drill those two rivets out. And then I'm gonna see what else. We had a rivet here, 10 millimeter there, a Torx there. So I'm gonna take that torque out, that 10 millimeter out, these 4 rivets, see if I can get that regulator out. Those 2 rivets out, pried it away, and it did let the window loose and slide up. So T25, rivet, see where I go from there. Looks like a T25 down here as well. Another T25 here. 1, 2, 3 T25s. Okay, the 10, 2 rivets there, rivet there, allowed me to remove the window regulator. That's all there is to it. You can pull the motor. I'm going to check the price of the motor, and I may leave it on because it may not be worth the hassle of pulling it off. If you have a P80 car with the mechanical throttle body, doesn't have the ETM from 94 through 98, you want to put the ports in the intake manifold to match your current vacuum setup. So if you see there, I have 2 ports. I'm going to switch to an NA manifold, which only has 1 port, so I'm going to have to add a port to this NA manifold that I'm going to install. The 95 models with EGR, which I'm going to be deleting, you got your valve there, purge valve, going into that manifold for vacuum. It is a larger port. Then you have your turbo bypass valve going into there, which is a smaller port. So I'm going to be adding 1 port to my intake manifold of a 98 S70, S or V70, and that's the port there that goes to the purge valve. I'm going to add a port here for the bypass valve relief. This smaller port is that valve. A larger port is for fuel vacuum on your later P80 cars, like your 98 and your 97. Got Queen Bee here. I'm putting the IPD overload springs on. This is the difference in the standard spring, R spring on the right, and the standard R spring on the left, the IPD spring on the right. You can see a little bit of difference in the thickness of it. And I did one side. I'm going to do the other side, but I'm going to check the height, see what the height difference is. Coming to pick my storage facility.
Even in Junkyard, man.
I know. It didn't rain over at the shop either. Buster Brown, folks. Got his door, taking it to his storage. See you, Buster. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.